you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the second and now last box from Hank and Henry's subscription service. Do you want to see what's inside and what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, this is their second subscription box ever, and this is their last subscription box. They came out with a subscription box, and then apparently there's some issues with whichever, and they're not going to be doing the actual subscription service anymore. I did buy a 3-box, so 6-month subscription. So they're going to be refunding me for my 3rd box because there won't be a 3rd box. And what they're going to now do is just curate like a box where everybody can order that box and they're all the same products inside. There's no variations or difference. It is just a box of good value that they're going to do, no rhyme or reason of when, but a few times a year they might just throw out a box and it'll be some of their new and exciting items, and that's what they're going to start doing as of now. So this box was $37 bi-monthly, and it was supposed to be a value of $130 or more. So again, this is the last one. Let's go ahead and at least see what they did for their second and now last box. Let me get this. And here we go. We're getting closer to the weekend. That's what I like. So Hank and Henry. There's the inside. There's a bunch of squigglies. And that's what it looks like. There's not a card this time? The first one that we got, there was a card and it talked about the value, so we knew what each item was valued at and what the value of this box was. But let me just see if maybe they put it on the bottom this time. Let me remove some of this stuff here. Nope. Nope. And nope. So there's nothing else in the bottom of the box. So we do not have a card today, ladies and gentlemen. We are blindsided. But it's their last box, so maybe they didn't want to invest the extra money in the cards. I'm not quite sure. So let's go ahead and just see what's in here. The first item right on top is this big boy. We have a brush. And let's see, does it say? It says Carla, but there's no like brush number or anything, so I don't even know what this brush is. So I'm gonna have to go to their site and see what this brush is intended for, because if I do use it, I would like to use it in the correct manner. But that's what it says, and it has their little logo on the bottom, and that's what it looks like. So we have a brush. Next we have is 2 of these. These are Hank and Henry Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. One is in blue and one is in black. So there's that. And that. I do not do color. I only do black, and I normally don't even do liquid eyeliner, but I'm gonna start trying soon. So let me go ahead and open up the black one, and I will hold the blue one for a future giveaway. So at least we can see what kind of point it is and that kind of thing. Okay, so it's a very nice fine point, and okay, very nice fine point. It feels very nice. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. And then building up with a thicker line. And again, there's that guy. So this one is black, the other one is blue. I'm assuming it's going to be like a dark blue, has a little ball like paint, like, you know, like a paint, like a spray paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to the blue one for a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. Next we have is, this says Hank and Henry Candy, a matte liquid lipstick. That's very cute packaging. And maybe the color is candy apple, so it's probably red. If it's red, this will go in a giveaway as well. Yes, I got a red last time. I'm not gonna open it, but that's the color. This is a liquid. When you twist it, it has a little brush on the end, and these look cool because it looks like an actual lipstick, but it's actually liquid inside. It's a very neat packaging and an amazing design. I like that, but I don't do red. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this back in the box, and I'm going to save this for one of you guys to enjoy, because last box I did get a few different liquid lips and one of them was red, and I put that in a giveaway already. So I'll go ahead and set this aside with the blue one. Now we have is a Luster Hank and Henry. This is Brilliant Pearls. Oh, a highlighter. So there's the actual packaging of the box. And this says Glow Bandit. I am interested in the highlighters, because in his lives when he does use highlight, they look so nice and like blinding. So I'm really glad that there is a highlighter in here. So there's that. I like the packaging. There's the back. And there's the inside, the little owl. It does have a mirror. And let's see here. Nice and creamy. Ooh. There's that. You guys, I don't have any highlighter on right now. And let's see. Wow. That's nice and bling bling. Look at that. Very nice. So again, I'm really glad to have one of his highlighters. So yes. So far a brush, a highlighter, and this is what I will be keeping. There's one more box here. It looks the same as the other highlighter. Let's see. This is a, yes, this is a highlighter as well. So we got 2 highlighters, 2 liquid eyeliners, and 1 brush and 1 liquid lip is what it looks like in our last box. Let's get this guy opened. Okay. And there's that one's color, same packaging, and the inside, that looks almost the same, but a little bit darker of a color. Let's see. Because it's almost the same, so I would rather actually share this with one of you guys. So let me see the 2 colors side by side. I'm not gonna touch this one, but there's the 2 colors. So there is a little bit of a difference, but I mean, not a whole lot. I mean, I can kind of see it in my camera, but in person, they kind of look similar. This one obviously is a little bit of a darker shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this one right back in the packaging. And this can go to one of you guys. So back in the box you go. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and go do a giveaway right now, because there's a highlighter, there's the liquid lip, and then there is the liner. And then I'll throw in a few other little extra goodies. So if you are interested in receiving these 3 items, So you guys will get, one of you guys will get 3 items, and then I have 3 items. So, hey, we both win on this one, you guys. So if you do want to be entered into winning these, this is how you will enter. One, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do all of my giveaways, is to give back to those that are actively and positively supporting me and my channel. I want to give back and show my appreciation to you guys. So must be subscribed to my channel. You must give this video a big thumbs up and leave 1 comment down below. In that comment, put in the word enter me and whatever else, as long as you have the word enter me. And then I will use a random comment picker when this ends, and I will have it search anything that says enter me. If you don't want these 3 items, you can leave any comment, just don't put the word enter me and you won't be entered. And then you must have a United States address for me to ship them to, and also be over the age of 18 unless you have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you. And then when this ends, which I will go ahead and run this for 2 weeks, at the end of the 2 weeks, I will, and the actual date will be, the actual date will be in my description box down below. So if you do watch this after the fact and it's already over, sorry, but check my channel because I do giveaways quite often, and I do have some still open right now. So go ahead and check that out if you have any questions on when the end date will be, but it'll be 2 weeks from the date that this loads. And then I will have the random comment picker choose a comment. I will comment back to that comment, and then you will have 48 hours to respond back to me to claim the winning. If you do not respond within 48 hours, I will have the random comment picker choose another comment. So in the description box, I will say congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm. Once they are confirmed win, I will put confirmed right on there. Until it says confirmed, just hang tight because you never know if I have to redraw or keep on picking. Every new winner will have the same rules apply. Will have 48 hours to respond back to me. If for some reason the address is not in the United States or anything like that, then you would be disqualified because the rules are you must have a United States address to ship them to. So I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping them to a United States address. And that's it. Just like all my other giveaways, simple, sweet, to the point, and that's all. So again, it will be this highlighter, this blue liquid eyeliner, a red, looks really pretty, just I'm not into reds, and I will throw in a few other extra goodies for you as well. And that's all. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm sorry to see this box go, especially since I did buy 3 boxes and I'm only gonna now get 2. But like I said, they had some kind of an issue, and so now they're gonna be doing something completely different. So once they do have their first box, I will try to grab that to show you guys what their boxes would be. That is a non-subscription box. So stay tuned for whenever they do that, and I will show you that as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.